Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. We've got for sale today, this one is going to be a consignment sale. This is not one of our engines. It was just traded in on a new 25 horse Suzuki. He wanted electric start and tilt and trim. So this one is a manual start, manual tilt, long shaft. We just got done going through the fuel system on this. We have not done a compression test yet, but this engine runs great. Go ahead and get this thing fired up here. Give it a second here. Pumps good water. This is a 2002. Go ahead and put it in gear here. Go back to neutral, reverse, back to neutral, shut it off, fire back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.